Okay, so this is the demo of Equate 8. Basically a math puzzle game. I don't know a lot more about the game. I just saw there was a math game and I was like, let's give it a try. What's the worst that can happen? I think it's part of the Steam Next Fest June. I might be wrong about that. I saw it in the list. So let's try it. Right now there is no settings. So you start and this is what you see. So this is a tutorial. Click this to select it, okay? And swap it with the 4. Notice is equal, sign has no change from read to grade, yes. Dragging numbers will also exchange them. Try with the above 2 and 4. Each switch tallies 1 move. Fewer moves earn silver or gold medals, a bronze is rewarded, okay. If 4 divided by 2 is 2, that means the diagonal from bottom left to top right should be 2 times 2 and there are not enough 2's. No, it can be a 4 and a 1 too also. 4 and 1. So it'll have to be bottom 4. But if the bottom is 4, I will need another 2. Oh my god. Fuck it, let's do it. I got it. Alright. Click this icon to bring the menu. Challenges are hand-curated puzzles that have a theme. A new one is available. Check it out. Challenges require medals or streaks to unlock. The first required one is of any medal. Try opening it. This puzzle's theme, like the previous tutorial, is that all the numbers are less than 10. Other puzzles may have different operators as well. This one has, there you go, there's the caret thingy symbol, which means to the power of. Ah, that's what it is. Alright. So the only options, if to the power of, is that how you say it in English? In the middle has to be 2, 2, 4. Or 3, 1, 3. But it cannot be 2, 2, 4. Because there is nothing that divided by 4 will give me a number, natural number. So it has to be 3, 1, 3. Don't think a number belongs to the spot. Lock it or unlock it by clicking it and holding it. There. Now the top one has to be 6 divided by 2 by 3 equal 2. Which means that one has to be like, oh, but I messed up. No, I didn't. There. Now next. The daily puzzle is a fun incentive to return and agree with to unlock other content. Difficulty varies, so don't get in. Oh, okay. Alright. So basically, top times the middle will be the bottom one. 1 times 1 is 1. There is no other number that is twice. 35, 34, 37, 36. Oh, no, it can be different. Oh, sorry, it can be different. It can be 1... Yeah. But the first one has to be 1 and the bottom one has to be 1. What goes in the middle changes. Yeah, let's start changing so I just don't forget. I don't forget. I don't forgive. Those two I know for sure. Top left cannot be 34. Bottom right cannot be 34. Middle right cannot be 34. Okay. Okay. Bottom left cannot be 34 either because of the diagonal. So 34 can only be where the 3, 37, and 2 are. Plus 3 can only be with 34. So 3 plus 34 equals 37. 3 cannot be top left because if it has to be 3 plus 34, that's the only one that makes sense. But 37 plus 1, there is nothing in the bottom. So it cannot be top left. Why can it be middle left? The 3. Because of exactly the same. Cannot be middle left. So 3 has to be middle. And has to go with 34. So 37 goes there. Ah, but the 30, no, this is wrong. Because of the 37 cannot be in the middle. Middle right. Because there is nothing that plus 37 gives something. If I do 30 from the top right, 34, the way it is right now, but 34 plus 3 and 37 at the bottom. 34, 3, 37. It will be the bottom row. It will be 36, 1, 37. I will just do it. We will see if it works later. Yes. Oh. But it's silver. I did one extra move. Boo! We suck! Oh man, that's way more complicated than what I was expecting. Big numbers. I unlock a new challenge. How about big numbers? I will do a few more challenges. Probably like 20, 30 minutes. And then I will... Depends on how exhausted I get. I think it's a cool idea, just a bit too hard to start with. I think it should start a bit more chill with like the tutorial one, but stick with those puzzles for a bit longer, so you get used to it. Anyways, there is a divided, we stand, and it can only be 99, 9, and 11. It's the only one that has a multiplier. So it has to be 99 divided by 9 or 99 divided by 11. Here. $11 or 9? No, that's the question. I think it will be 11, but let me double check. Pretty sure because there is no numbers possible that minus that one will give me 9. It can only give me 11. I'm pretty sure. So you have to be 9 and you have to be 11. Oh no, there is one. I messed up. It can be the bottom right. 9. It can be 9. Because 54 minus 55, I did not see the 54. 54 minus 45 is 9. And 65 and 56 also. Fucking shit. There is also 56 and 65 and 56. Fucking shit. What about 11? I should have 2 that plus 11. If 11 goes to the middle, there has to be 2 that plus 11 will give me something. And yeah, there are more than 2. Okay, so 99 though. The 99 has the 54 and 45 and the 65 and 34. So in one side it will be... It can be any side again. Q. Is there any like that has to be there? Like there is no other option. One thing is sure, 56 cannot be... 56 can only be on the bottom square. In the 4 bottom right squares. 56 has to be in some of those. That one, I know it for sure. That and one of the 45s. So I think it has to come here. It has to be there. There. Then 56. Let's try it. Let's just try it. Yes, it works. You earned your third gold medal. Woohoo, I'm the best. Divide 3. Ooh. This looks hard. Yo. I mean, it cannot be 336 divided with 6. We know that for sure. It cannot be 36 divided. Yes, it can be that one. Oh man, if I start thinking all the options on, I'm going to go crazy. Let's try to check for one that has to be there. Sadly, every single one but the 3 and the 6 and the 15. Okay, there are more. 3, 6, and 15. Those 3 cannot be divided and give me something that's here on the board. So that means the 3, 6, and 15 have to be in the bottom right, the squares. Oh no, I mean they can divide, they cannot be divided. 3, 6, and 15 cannot be divided. So they cannot be in the leftmost side. Oh no, but this one is a plus. They can be in the... Damn it. So they can be in the triangle. The bottom right triangle. They can be there. They can only be there. 3 cannot be on the top right. 3 and 6 cannot be the bottom right either. 3 can only be with 36, 9, 12, and 18 are right now. Basically, that's what I mean. 45 might have to be top left. 45 can be divided by 9, 15. Wait, but no, it can't. It has to be 45 and 15. It has to be 45 and 15. 3. It's the only option, right? Because 49, 9 is a 5. There is no 5. 45, 3 is 15. 45, 15 is 3. There is no other option. And with minus, nothing I can do with minus. So it has to be 45 divided by 15 or divided by 3, 15. Let's go 45 top. Because 45 cannot be, nothing can be minus 45. So 45, I will use it here. And there is nothing that minus that will give me 45. And 45 cannot add anything. So, or it can also be top right. No, it cannot. Yeah, 45. No, it cannot be. So it has to be top left. That one we know. That's sure. 100% sure. I think we both agree with that. No, top right. Yeah. Middle one has to be 3 or 15. It cannot be 15 because there is nothing that divided by 15 will give me something. So middle one has to be 3 and bottom right has to be 15. So the only one that plus will give me something is 6 plus 9 will give me 15. The only way to get the 15 on the bottom right is to get 6 plus 9. There is no 39. So it has to be 9 and 6. Which means this one has to be 36. Which means this one has to be 12. And there we go. Yes! Oh my god. I like the idea though. I honestly, when I was a kid, I liked to do Sudokus. So, okay, let's do one more. Device. Modulo is an operator designated by R. Designated by the R sign that means the remainder of 5R2 equal 1. Ah, I got it. Oh, that's going to be painful. So we are dividing 3 places. 3 places. What can be divided here? 8 cannot be divided. 2 cannot be divided. 12 cannot be divided. 28 cannot be divided. So 4 of them cannot be on the left side. Cannot be on the left side. I wanted to say they can only be on the middle right side. They cannot be on the left side. It was 8, 2, 20, 28, and 12. 8, 2, 20, 28, and 12. Those 5 numbers can be on the middle or right column, which means, on the other hand, that only 16, 40, 56, and 24 can be on the left column. 56 cannot be the top left, 24 cannot be the bottom left. 56 cannot be top left, cannot be middle left also. So if 56 is on the left side, can only be the bottom left, because there is an addition there. 8 plus where is the 8 and the 20. So I just cannot play with the 56 there. That's 100% sure. So if 56 is one of the 3, he has to go bottom left. But there is still enough the possibility that between the 16, 24, 56, and 40, one of them is on the right side. So it can be the 56. It can still be the 56. Unless for some reason I can prove that it cannot be on the right side. And I don't think I can do that. Yes, I can. It cannot be top right because of the diagonal. From the bottom left to top right, there is a division. So 56 has to be in the bottom. Has to be here. Only divided by 28. Only divided by 28. You are absolutely right. So 28 here. And 2. Wait, no, it can be 2. It has to be 2 and 28, because the other one is an addition and there is no 2 numbers that will give me a 2. Like nothing plus something will be 2 in the top. Oh, so it has to be 2 in the middle and 28 there. And there is only, no, there is 16 and 12 in 20 and 8. That will give me the addition there. Divided by 2, there are 16. It can be 16, it can be 24, it can be too many options. So cannot work with that yet. Minus. Can be 16 and 12, can be 20 and 8, can have many options. Now what 2 numbers can... Okay, let me log this. This one has to be logged. For the 56, I can get 40 and 16. That's it, right? And cannot be 40 on the top left, because to give me 28, 40 plus nothing will give me 48, 28. So 40 has to be in the middle. And 16 on the top left. And 16 plus 12 will give me 28. And I messed up at some point. When did I mess up? No, I didn't. There. Oh, I thought I got messed up. Oh shit, sorry, I did not see the 24 there. It's good, it's good. Okay. Woo, alright. That was it. That was cool. That was cool. The other day I played another type of... It was a different type of game. It's the kind of game that you have a limited amount of... It's honestly similar. If this one has a limited amount of turns. It was like a match game also. The Axe Ghost. It was also pretty tiresome on the mind. It was also with daily challenges. It was enjoyable. It's the kind of game you like, if you want to exercise the mind, you play one game during the night or something like that, and then you give it a break. Let me start with this. Of course, if you really like this, you can be the whole day. If your mind can stand it, you can be the whole day. I think I got enough. I could still play a bit more of this, but not right now. It got decently hard too soon. So I need a break already.